If you have been shopping for real estate, you know there are 3 factors that you must keep in mind. The first one is location, the second one is location, and the third one is still location. Kiambu County gives you one of the best locations where you can invest in real estate, and there is 2 things that you must be guaranteed of. The return would be perfect and access to social amenities is incomparable. Today we are exactly 8 minutes from Kiambu town, and we are in this development that has a private area north of 350 square meters constructed on a plot slightly bigger than 50 by 100 and going for only 34 million Kenya shillings. Kiambu County has a very good environment for a family. The infrastructure has already been done and the developers do a very good job to make sure they deliver the best homes in the country. Let's talk about the details of this unit. The stonework has been done excellently, and it's not only on this side. All sides of this unit, as you can see from the drone shots, this developer was very, very serious. Just look at the flower garden. Just look at the quality of this house. And if that is not enough, I'm loving this mosaic that has been done on the wall that separates you from your neighbor. And this unit comes with a 24 hours surveillance system. This home is in a gated estate of many units. From there, you can see that the trees are mature, the lawn has been done. This is the driveway that takes you to the car parking that is on my left hand side. That is the entrance porch, and I am loving the cable work. Before I take you inside, tell me, what is the first thought that comes in your mind when you see this house? Make sure you comment that below. The driveway lands you to the entrance porch, and the gladness of this space welcomes you to this beautiful unit. The developer has done a lot of work to make sure that this home appears posh and feels like it. The main entrance is a bronze-coated metal casement double door, and it is very, very heavy. I know that is supposed to improve the security of this unit. Right now we are at the foyer, and it welcomes you to several places. On my far front, you can get an access to the kitchen. On my right hand side, you have an access to the living room. This is the common washroom, and under the stairs you have an extra storage where one part it acts as a shoe rack, and on this other side you have an extra space which can be used for your solar power. From the foyer and straight to the living room, I'm loving how the developer worked on this space. You are getting 4 big windows to give you enough natural light, and they are floor to almost the ceiling. I like it that you are getting the hidden curtain rod concept. That is very, very nice, especially when you have a posh house like this one. But the highlight of this living room is the chimney area. It has been done very well. I know some of you call it the fireplace area, but you can also call it the chimney area, as I mentioned earlier. It has been done excellently. It is taking a big chunk of this living room, but it is also like a piece of art. It's something that you should appreciate when you are living here. We have not seen something like this in the video, right? Yeah. This unit is adopting an open plan concept. And before I take you to the dining area, let's talk about the gypsum ceilings. They have been done very well. I like it how the developer added the recessed lights. You can see them. The mood lights are just perfect, and the design is not hideous. It's something that you would love. It's something that is very, very timeless. As I am walking with you to the dining area, I'm fascinated by the wood laminated floor. It has been done very well, and this is very, very easy to clean. If you have employees, they will have the best job. in this locality. The center light is a masterpiece, and these windows are giving you very good balance of indoor-outdoor environment. The dining area would easily fit an 8-seater dining set, and I like the transitioning from the dining area to the kitchen, which has been done very well. You are getting a small wash basin just to make sure you are very clean when you are enjoying your meal, and the kitchen has been done spectacularly well. The blend of the whiteness and the brownish colors are making this kitchen look very unique, and I like the cabinetry work. This developer aimed to deliver a masterpiece, and he did exactly that. From there, you can agree with me that this is a very, very big kitchen, and it comes with a washing area that is next to the window. On this other side, you have the cooking area, which comes fitted with a hob and a heat extractor. The other side has been reserved for your refrigerator, which is big enough to fit a side-by-side refrigerator, and you have spaces reserved for your microwave and your oven. Before I take you to the pantry, let's discuss the quality of this cabinetry. They have been done excellently, and I like it that the developer was able to do some stainless on the floors of the sink area to make sure even if there is a bit of splash, nothing would destroy the cabinetry. That is a very, very good move. This door takes you to the laundry area and the employee quarters. We will see that in a minute, but before we do, let's see the pantry. The pantry has been done excellently. This is bigger than some of the bed sitters I've seen in Nairobi. It has been partitioned to fit all your dry foods, and you can do any other thing that you want to do with the space. Because even if you want to keep food that will run you through 3 months, this space is still huge. Right now, we are in the employee quarters, and it is a huge space comparing to what we have seen in other houses. This developer is very, very lenient. He surely wanted the employees of this unit to enjoy a lavish life just like the owners. The bathroom is here, and it comes with a shower cubicle on one side, and on the other side you have the washroom area. The employee quarters is getting these two huge windows to make sure that the employees will feel at home when they are here. The employee quarters opens to the laundry area, and on my far front, it is connected to the kitchen. You have an ample space to wash your clothes, and you can do either 3 or 4 washers and dryers. And on this other side, you have an industrial sink to make sure that you can easily wash your gumboots after you've done with your gardening, especially if you are passionate of that. From the laundry area, we are on the rear side of this unit, and this is where you get your clotheslines area, done excellently. And on my far front, you have your kitchen garden, which would be perfect for your onions or any other thing that you like to plant in a kitchen garden. The owner gave each room a lot of space. This is the guest bedroom. It is on the lower floor, coming with enough space for a 6x6 bed if you want that for your guests. The closet is here, and it has been done excellently. The quality is nice, and the partitioning has been done excellently. This unit comes with a solar water heating system, and it supplies water to all the bathrooms and the kitchen. You get a handheld and a rain shower. These are your towel holders. The showering area is here, and at the center you have a WC. Mahogany improves the quality of a house, and especially when it is done on the staircase, it makes everything very beautiful, and it makes sure that your feet is not getting cold, especially when you are crisscrossing between the floors. On this level, you have the primary bedroom on my right hand side. On my far front, you have the family room and the study, and also you get the second bedroom here. Right now, we are in the primary bedroom, and it has been done very well. This is where you are supposed to do your 6x6 bed or a king size bed, and on my left hand side, you have the surveillance system. The developer has installed several cameras in the compound, some hidden, some not hidden, and let's see if it works. Just hold on. You need a bit of patience. Just hold on. There you go. Everything is being fed to this system. On this other side, the primary bedroom gives you a lot of openness, and from here you have views for days. I like it that the windows are floor to ceiling. That makes it heavenly, and you get an indoor-outdoor environment. And if that is not enough, you have an access to the primary balcony. Very huge. If you would want to do a hammock or you want to do a small sitting area, it would easily fit in this balcony. As I mentioned earlier, the stonework of this unit has been done excellently. And for 35 million, would actually feel the amount of work that was done to make sure that this unit gets to this good level and good quality. From there, you can agree with me that this estate is very, very beautiful. It is gated and controlled, and people are not allowed to do a lot of perimeter walls because the estate is very, very secure. And the balance between the constructions and the greenery is just a vibe. The primary bedroom comes with a walk-in closet, not the biggest, but done excellently. I like it that it comes with this storage up here for the clothes that you don't wear regularly. We are at the primary bathroom, and you get a wash basin. This is your WC area, and this should be your shower cubicle. You can add a shower curtain there. You are getting a towel holder. This space has been reserved for your bathtub, and that's where you have your rain shower and a handheld. From the primary bedroom, we take this hallway to the office and the family room. This is the family room, and it has been done very well. I like the size of it, and you would easily do a 7-seater couch here or a 5-seater couch, and maybe you can enjoy family conversations, or you can make it a TV room. I'm liking it that you are getting enough natural light, so you don't have to keep the lights on during the day. Next to it, you have the study. The study can double as an office if you don't have children in school. The best thing about it is that it comes with a massive balcony. And from here, you will enjoy the best breezes of this locality. This is the last bedroom on this level, and it is targeting your kids. This unit is a 3-bedroom actually, but the bedrooms are very, very spacious. The closet is here, done excellently and partitioned very, very well. You're also getting 3 drawers and a space for your shoes. The mirror is just a plus. If you haven't noticed, the ceiling heights of this unit are very high, and that becomes very important, especially if you like your rooms very, very elevated. This bedroom comes en suite, and the bathroom is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we saw earlier. For 34 million Kenya shillings, this developer has given you a lot. And if you would want to compare this unit with many more, make sure you check out our website, africanrealestate.com. The shorter version of this video will be found in our Instagram or our TikTok. Make sure you follow us there. We are at the top level, and the developer has given you a kitchenette. This comes in handy, especially when you are hosting. And if it's not enough, you also have a guest bathroom, which can be used when you have visitors around. The roof deck has a print area of around 100 square meters, and this would be a perfect place for your children to enjoy their games or for you to rest in the evening after a hard day at work. I would love to live here personally. If you would too, make sure you call us in the number that will be attached in the first comment. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase this unit or many more that we have in our website, make sure you call us in the numbers that will be attached down here.